Welcome to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. Today we're making crispy braised pork belly. Let's do it. See, it has a skin on, so we're gonna get that all braised up. Let's do it. We're gonna score the skin. Take your knife and just kind of score the skin, diagonal of the skin, just barely sort of in between there. You don't want to go too deep, but deep enough. Flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. It's always nice to do a pork belly with a braised rind on. So you're getting all these little squares on there. That's what you want. Pat it dry so it's dry. Salt the pork belly. When you salt it, you want to get in all these cracks here. Be generous, like it's gonna cook off, right? So we take this pork belly and we put it aside. Got some fennel. Chop some fennel up. Fennel is such a nice, good with pork belly. Okay, so we're just gonna chop here's fennel. Half a leek. So got some water for the leeks. You chop our leeks. This is kind of Beaumont style braised pork belly. Leeks. Rinse off your leeks because there's sand in there. So you want an onion, one good sized onion. Chop some onion. Couple cloves of crushed garlic. Crush them up. When you crush them, they're very easy to peel. The peel just comes right off. Dutch oven here. Okay, so we turn on some medium-high heat. Oil into the pan, heat the pan up. I always say if you're gonna make a recipe, make it your own. The Beaumont style braised and crispy pork belly. Once that's heated up, toss your fennel in. Pepper, salt. Yes, get the fennel all seared up. You start to smell it. Leeks in there, onions in there. A bit more pepper, salt. Kind of sweat the veggies out for a bit. Garlic in there. Yeah, I want to saute these up for about 5-6 minutes until they get all happy. Okay, so we take our pork belly, toss it down like that. Just gonna sear it up a little bit there. A few minutes there. Just searing that skin a little bit. A few minutes. Yeah, I just want to get us some color on that skin. Looking good. Okay, so flip it back over. It's taking it out for a few minutes and getting all this goodness in the bottom of the pot here. Pork belly back in. So you want to take some fennel seeds, get it right on top of there. You want to make sure you get all the fennel seeds in the cracks. Deglaze with some rosé wine. You can use white wine too. There's a little bit of wine in there. So what you want to do is simmer that wine for a few minutes and scrape the bottom of the pot there. Underneath the pork belly. All some goodness there. Cook that alcohol out for a few minutes. Preheat your oven at 325. Alcohol should be all cooked out. Add our stock. So you just want to cover right up to the skin there. So we're going to cover the pork belly. And this lovely liquid will be braised in there. Quite nice. Some chicken stock. Toss a couple Baileys in there. And then we're just going to get this in the oven and braise it for a bit. And that's easy to do some lovely braised crispy pork belly. So I'll show you that. Toss our pork belly in the oven. You want to go for at least 2.5 hours into the oven. And then I'll show you at the end how to crisp out the pork belly. Check it in 2 hours. Just pull the pork out now. Just give it a try. It's really nice and crispy. Show you how tender it is and crispy. See? Nice crispy skin. That's what you want. Fall apart tender. Toss it on the plate. Oh, the flavor. Oh, so good. So grab some of these with the fennel and the garlic and everything. Yeah. Toss some of that on top of the roast. So much nice flavor there. So get that with the pork. Toss it like that. So yummy. Crispy pork belly. A try. Take a little bit of the crispy part. Give it a try. Fall apart tender. So good. Crispy sweet skin. I'm not big on the crispy skin, but it's really good. And that's how you make a crispy braised pork belly. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love you. And doing all those things definitely helps my channel when you like, subscribe, and share. And if you don't know what to comment, just leave a heart emoji. It's good. This has been Dieter. Bye.